The animation tool brings your swept path analysis to life. With just a few clicks, you can simulate the vehicle's movement along its path. You can control playback speed and direction, making it easier to analyse every detail, even in tight intersections, roundabouts, or parking layouts. At any point in the animation, you can insert a vehicle stamp, remove it, or add new ones if needed. Need additional details? Simply open the vehicle dialog to quickly review the vehicle's basic parameters while working. The animation tool doesn't just improve analysis, it gives you an interactive way to present projects with clarity, confidence, and impact.